Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can stake any cryptocurrency on Caramelswap decentralized exchange website. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about crypto. As I told you, in this video I will show you how you can stake any cryptocurrency, whether it can be Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, Cakecoin, BNB or any cryptocurrency that are listed on Caramelswap. You can stake it easily watching this video. Caramelswap is one of the decentralized exchange website. Like we have many decentralized exchange like Pancakeswap, Uniswap, ShibaSwap and many more. But the differences between this decentralized exchange is Caramelswap is giving higher interest while we stake our coin. I will show you in this video how much Caramelswap give us interest if we stake our coin. Although we can stake our coin on Pancakeswap, but Pancakeswap just giving about 15%, 100%, 19, 18 like this. But Caramelswap will give you profit more than 100%, like 300, 200, 400, even 700 profit you will get if you stake your coin on Caramelswap decentralized exchange. In here I just uploaded video about Caramelswap exchange website. Like here you can check previous days ago I just uploaded how you can stake any cryptocurrency on Caramelswap. You can watch this video. Even I have uploaded video how you can stake Dogecoin to get 40,000% profit. Why 40,000% profit? Because when Caramelswap just listed Dogecoin on their farms or pools staking category, then at first they are just going to give about 40,000% profit. I just stake my coin and within 1 month I just earned about 1,000 USDT as a profit. Here you can check, I have uploaded a video about how to stake Dogecoin to earn 40,000%. So in here you can check how to stake BNB coin on Caramelswap. So I have uploaded video. I will give you the link in description. You can watch this video. Also in this video I will show you how you can stake Caramelswap its own coin to Caramelswap decentralized exchange. As you know, Caramelswap coin is male coin. So today I will show you how you can stake male coin on Caramelswap. Although yesterday I just uploaded video how you can transfer coins from Hotbit to MetaMask wallet. So I transferred male coin from my Hotbit to my MetaMask wallet. Now in this video I am going to stake my male coin on Caramelswap to get interest. So how? Let me show you. This is the Caramelswap.finance decentralized exchange website. Once you come here, in left side you can see everything works like Pancakeswap. If you check the left side, everything that you are seeing here, everything that you can check to here, all are available on Pancakeswap. But only in here you can check we have chilies, honeycomb and white paper, NFT, audit, listing. Only these options are new in Caramelswap, but others are all available on Pancakeswap. If you know the using of Pancakeswap, so for sure you can use Caramelswap.finance. Both are working same. Now this Caramelswap, the price of Caramelswap was about 8 cent, 7 cent. Then suddenly the price just decreases and now the price is $0.053. Why? Because Caramelswap was under attack. Now everything is okay, everything is fine. Now you can trust on this website. You can stake your coin and you can get interest because the developer is working too much. They are listing or they are launching farms daily. They are launching new farms daily. They are launching new coins on their pool staking farm staking. Even you can check here, we have Chili's farm staking, like you can stake 2 coins, Juventus versus PSG, and here you can check you will get 791% profit if you stake Juventus coin. Then if you stake PSG coin, then you will get 703%. If you click on Honeycap is the next farming staking category, and here you can check recovery. It means you will recover your lost, when this website was under attack, you might lose your harvest, you might lose your interest. Now using recovery, you might recover your lost profit, but for now I'm not sure. Then in here you can stake WBNB, where you can get the profit. Check here, profit about 293 million percent. Oh my god, 293 million percent you will get profit when you stake WBNB coin. The shocking news, the shocking, really I am shocked. This much profit, unbelievable. So then now in here you can check, if you want to read the white paper, you can read Caramelswap white paper. Even you can check NFT is coming soon. So for sure you can buy and sell NFT, or Caramelswap was NFT will be launched in here. Here you can read all the white paper, all the details about Caramelswap. In here everything is written here, like NFT, mail required, then automatic liquidity, automatic burning, and deflationary. So everything you can read on its own white paper. Besides that, you can join its Telegram. Here you can see all community is helping each other. If you have any question, if you have any problem, simply come to its own Telegram and ask your question. Everyone is trying to help each other, because there are very best community. They are helping each other. And here you can see the pin message. Developers are giving update about new forms, about update of Caramelswap. Everything you can check in here. Now how you can stake your coin on Caramelswap? Simply go to pools category. In here you can use farms staking category, mail farms staking category, and pools staking category. But in this video I'm going to use pools staking category. So once you come here, I just want to stake my mail coin. Here you can see I will earn about 193% profit if I stake my Caramel coin. And then the deposit fee will be no fee for now, mail required 0, harvest lockup 3 hours. So simply click on connect. At first I need to connect my MetaMask wallet, because my coin is on my MetaMask wallet. Okay, I just connected my MetaMask wallet with Caramelswap. Then in here you can check if you have any of this coin. You can use this method to apply to stake your coin. If you have USDT, if you have Cake coin, Matic, Uni, Litecoin, Tron, this one, and Bitcoin Cash, XRP, 1inch, Reef, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, WBNB. If you have any of this coin, then you can follow my method, because for now I have Caramel coin, so I will stake my Caramel coin in here. So you can apply this method to stake your like USDT, Cake coin, any of the coin that you have on your wallet. Now once you come to here, simply click on approve contract. Then in here you will see the MetaMask notification. Simply click on confirm to confirm the transaction. After this, now in here we will check what will be the next step to stake our coin. Once you approve the contract, now you can, in here you can see stake LP. Simply click on stake LP and then select the Caramel coin, like you want to stake the maximum, or you can type the amount of the coin that you want to stake here. So for now I'm going to stake my maximum coin. Click on maximum, then click on confirm. Now pending confirmation, and here again you will see the MetaMask notification. So simply click on confirm option in order to complete the transaction. Okay, finally my coin was staked in Caramelswap. Here you can see I've just staked about 3098 mail coin, and for now I just earned about 129 mil coin. So after 3 hours you can harvest your profit. So this was the easiest method to stake your mil coin or any other coin on Caramelswap using your MetaMask wallet. Whatever coin you have, the coin should be listed on Caramelswap in here. So you can follow this method to stake your coin on Caramelswap and get huge profit. So I hope you understand this video. If you are facing any problem, if you have any confusion or questions, so please feel free to ask me in a comment section. I'm always here to help you. So never hesitate to share your idea in a comment section. By typing your comment or watching your comment, I will be motivated. So make sure to motivate me in order to upload a useful video for you. So like this video, share this video with your friend. If still you did not subscribe to this channel, so please click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while you upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.